Hello, welcome to my channel. We have been solving this mathematics pure math previous exams. So right now I'm going to start with this May June 2025, and it is pure math. Okay, so let us begin. I will do question number one first. Okay, so we are given two graphs here. One is y is fx and the other one is y is gx, and we have to see that what kind of transformation will convert this fx into gx. Okay, so you can see there are two ways to do this. Let me do both of them. First of all, you see there's no change along x-axis. Okay, this was -2, it is -2 here. The peak was at 0, peak is at 0. This point, this bend is at 3, the bend is at 3. So there's no change in the x direction. Now in y direction, you can see that this graph has been amplified. This portion was just 1 unit, but this is 2 unit. Okay. Similarly, this portion was 3 unit, and now it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 unit. So this graph had been expanded twice here. Okay. So the first transformation is that f of x is multiplied by 2. Okay. This is the first transformation. And second transformation is that uh, okay, when we multiply this graph by 2, this 3 will go to 6. But we want to bring it down to -8. Okay, so that means we have to subtract 14 from it, right? When we subtract 14, then the 6 will become -8. Okay, so the second transformation is that I will do 2 times f of x minus 14. Okay, and this will become g of x. So this g of x is basically 2 times f of x minus 14. Okay, so this is one way to do it. Second way is that I will bring this f of x down by 7 units. Okay, so the first transformation would be fx minus 7. So what this -7 will do, that this 6 will go to -1, right? And then 3 will go to -4. Okay. And in the second step, I will multiply this thing, f of x minus 7 with 2. Okay, you can see they are both the same. This will become 2x minus 14, so this is 2x minus 14. So I can bring it down first and then bring it down by 7 units and then multiply by 2, or multiply it by 2 first and then bring it down by 14 units. So both of these transformation will work. So I would say that g of x would be 2 times f of x minus 7. Okay, so these are the two transformations that will convert f of x into g of x. Okay, so this was question number one. Now question number two. We are given two curves here. One is a straight line and one is some kind of curve. Okay, and we have to find the coordinates, the point of intersection. Okay, so this is not too difficult either. You see, y is equal to -2x minus 4. And I can substitute this value of y in this the other curve. So it will become 2x into y is -2x minus 4 plus 5y squared. Now y is -2x minus 4 and the square equals 24. Okay. Uh, this will become minus 4x squared and minus 8x. And this will become, let me open the bracket first, 5 times and negative will become positive because of the square. So it will become 4x squared plus 16x and plus 16 and minus 24 equals 0. So this will be minus 4x squared minus 8x and plus 20x squared plus 80x plus 80 minus 24 equals 0. So you can see this is becoming to a quadratic equation. So 20x squared minus 4x is 16x squared and plus 80x minus 8x, that will become 72. And finally 80 minus 24 will become 56 equals 0. I can simplify it a little bit by dividing it by 8 because 8 is the common factor among all this. So this becomes 2x squared plus 9x plus 7 equal to 0. And now I can apply the quadratic formula. So x equals minus b plus minus under the root b square is 81 minus 4 times a times c and divided by 2a. Okay. And you can see that this whole thing will be simplified into two answers. One is minus 1 and minus 1 is minus 3.5. Okay. I can substitute these two values one by one in this equation and find the value of 5. So if x is minus 1, you can see that y will become minus 2. And if x is minus 3.5, then y will become 3. So my two answers are minus 1 and minus 2 and minus 3.5 and 3. Okay, easy, straightforward question. Okay, now let's do question number 3. Okay, the coefficient of x power 7 in this expansion. Okay, remember if I have something like a plus b power n, then its rth term would be n combination r and a power n minus r and b power r. Okay, and r goes from 0 to n. Okay, so when r is equal to 0, n combination 0 is 1, a power n, b power 0, you know that how it is expanded. Okay, so now I have px squared plus 4 by px power 5. So its rth term will be 5 combination r and px square power 5 minus r and 4 over px power r. Okay, since I'm looking for the term with x power 7. So let's ignore this few terms in the beginning. So I will have x power 10 minus 2r from here. And from here, I will have x power r. So this will become x power 10 minus r. Okay. And you can see this 10 minus r has 10 minus r has to be 7. It means r has to be 10 minus 7, so it should be 3. Okay, so the term I'm looking for is 5 combination 3. I'm just replacing r with 3. And then px square power 5 minus 3 is 2. And 4 over px power 3. Okay. So this will be expanded as 5 combination 3. It is going to be 5 into 4 into 3 divided by 3 factorial, 3 into 2 into 1. So 3 cancel with 3, 2, type 2, so this is going to be 10. 10 times p square x power 4, right? P square x power 4. Then I will have 4 power 3, which is 64 over p cube and x power 3. And this will be further simplified into 64 times 10 is 640. And the p square and p cube. So times 1 over p. Okay, let me write it as this thing. 1 over p and x power 7. Okay. Now we are told that the coefficient of x power 7 is 1280. Okay. It means 640 over p has to be 1280. So from here you can see p has to be 640 divided by 1280, and this is obviously 1 by 2. Okay, so the value of p has to be 1 by 2. Okay, straightforward question. Okay, I will stop over here, and we will do the other next rest of the question in the next video. Thank you very much for watching. If you ever have any question, you can always ask me in the comment section. By the way, if these videos are helpful to you, please help me as well. You can subscribe this channel. That will be a big help for me. Thank you very much. See you in the next video.